How's it going, everyone? I hope you're having an amazing day. All right, guys, hand to the sky. Guys, I lost the first two trades that I took today. I'm not going to lie. I have to show transparency here. I was actually down $700 on my prop firm accounts this morning. And I got to show you guys, look at this. I'm not here being like, oh gosh, look at me, I lost a couple trades. Guys, it happens. I'm human. I cannot make this stuff up. I ended up losing first trade, $225. I then ended up losing $490 just afterwards. And I started the day down. I want to go over those exact trades, but then more importantly, I want to go over the three trades I took just afterwards that ended up resulting in the account just barely up today, about $135. But this is going to be something where you guys can take into account. If you end up starting off negative like I did, it happens to us. It happens to the best of us. The people that I'm teaching, guys, I literally have 13 one-on-one appointments scheduled for just next week. And I'm so glad I can put out videos like this to show you guys that it happens to me as well. But I'm going to show you exactly how to take a couple losing trades and turn this around and still come out on a positive day. And this is exactly what I did. Guys, these are the two trades that I started off with. Instead of starting this video off being great, being like, hey, I actually broke even, I made money. Let's just look at the negative and be like, what didn't work? You guys, nothing is 100% with any metrics. My name is Justin. If you guys are new to this channel, I'm the founder of these metrics. I created these about 3 years ago and came back here on YouTube back in May of this year and have had such an amazing explosion of people and journeys and one-on-ones with some just incredible, really good people. But transparency, integrity, and honesty is how I run this YouTube channel. And honestly, it's hard to find channels like that. I feel like so many people are just scamming, trying to just sell something for a really big price just to sell courses. You guys, I want to be here to educate and teach. I do have a spot for all these metrics. I want to just get through that real quick. Everyone that does join, this isn't a course. This is literally just metrics that you guys can grab that so many people have done so far, about 838 people. We have 37 5-star ratings. Take a look at customer comments. Do not just take my word for it. Please take a second and see if any of these people's reactions and experiences are something that you're going through yourself. And then reach out to me if you have any questions. Guys, one-on-one trainings. Everyone who joins gets 50% off, and this is lifetime access. There's a reason why this isn't $599 to $1,000. I want this to be accessible for every single person who wants to trade the futures market, to be able to get in, to get the tools, and then be able to get the education before throwing hundreds, if not thousands of dollars at something that you just don't understand. Guys, let's get back to the charts right now and show you the two trades that just didn't work out, but show you the three trades that were just incredible that turned this account around. Guys, the first trade was right here. If you guys are following me on this channel, you guys know I refer to something as triple R's and triple G's. So what do I mean by that? So triple R's, this sell signal right here had everything in line. Red background, price action was below the 50, and we had a strong bearish Hiekin Ashi candle. Guys, I entered in. I got in. Right afterwards, that minute changed, and the market just had different directions. It shot back up, and I had to exit out of that trade. I was like, okay, great, take it as a loss. Was everything in conjunction? Yes. Let's move on to the next one. We're still trading below the 50. Where's our next entry? I went here, I went here. I ended up actually entering in on this one. First bullet, or first bearish, strong Hiekin Ashi candle, red, red, and red, triple R's, entered in, and it went against me afterwards. I was like, dang it, the first two ones I entered in are actually losing ones. But guys, let me tell you this. If you can't follow these principles, enter in when everything's inconfirmed, and get out when things switch on you, you're not going to be the successful trader that I know you can be. The way I turned this around, you guys, was I looked and I just waited for triple G's or triple reds. Again, this was the buy signal that I got in on. I saw this buy, I ran it right up to doji candles, ended up making a great profit, took out the first winning trade. I saw the breath in, ended up coming up again, taking this trade, ended up running for a bit, got into the decision into the market, ended up closing out. I then ended up waited, got another signal here with all triple G's, ended up coming up to a level of resistance in the market, ended up getting out. Couple other amazing opportunities just afterwards. I didn't take them. At that point, I had two losing trades. I was down $700. I then ended up taking a couple trades afterwards. You guys can take a look at this. This trade ended up being, what was this? 325, then 237, and 287.50. So out of all those trades, ended up actually for the day $135. So was this my best trading day? No, not at all. Not at all by any means. But What I like to show you is, even as someone who's teaching this and as a mentor to now hundreds of people, I'm just here to show you that I'm real and I'm human. I do make mistakes, but the mistakes, I don't want you to think of it as mistakes. I want you to think of it as good risk management. If you enter in on the principles that I'm trying to teach and it doesn't work out and it goes against you, it's okay. It is totally okay. When you wait for those and then you wait for your metrics to come back again, I can guarantee something with this. And guarantee is a really strong word. You guys, please don't take this as financial advice. I know this is for educational purposes only. But hear me when I say this, and I really mean this. A lot of my traders and myself, over the years of doing this, by sticking to these principles, have seen far greater success than learning experiences in the market, meaning more wins instead of losses in the market. And what that gradually will do overall with your guys' accounts is increase that balance higher and higher and higher. And ultimately, isn't that what we're trying to do at the end of the day? We're not, for some of us, trying to supplement our whole entire income through the month. Like myself, you guys know, I have a restaurant, I have a brewery, I do this business as well. But I'm trying to go for certain goals that I can either take my family out. Like, so next week, it's my wife and I 10-year anniversary. We're going to go off for a week and we're going to Pismo Beach in California and having a great time. Well, I take some of my trading profits and I'm able to fund that vacation and have a really good time. There's things that I try to shoot for, and that's what I want you guys to do as well, is to keep things really realistic. But if you guys are still here on this video, I want to just show you guys transparency. You guys know that's how I always operate with these videos, and to show you wins, show you losses. I don't always just make all wins. I do take some losses, but overall, we have just been able to be successful on these accounts. So far, I still am at 1 pro account approved through Take Profit. I'm working on the other 4 right now. I'm hoping to give you guys really good news next week as to passing all 4 of those and getting to 5 total. And then that will be a really good time to start getting to the market and pulling out some funds, which I'll keep you guys all updated on. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. You guys know me, or reach out by email. I'm always here to answer anything that you guys would like. But I hope you found this as very good education with this video, good transparency, someone that you want to follow here on YouTube to give you the best education as possible. But at the end of the day, you guys, I'm human. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.